Hey everyone, in today's video, let's get you set up with the awesome NameCheap hosting. Buy hosting can seem a bit techy, but trust me, it's super straightforward. Are you ready to dive in? First thing first, head over to namecheap.com and tap on it. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. I have already logged into my account. Now you are inside the NameCheap. Now simply tap on account, which is in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. Then on your screen, you can see an option for hosting, which is over here. And under hosting, there's an option for shared hosting. Tap on it. Let's scroll down. Now you will see different shared hosting plans like Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. Take a quick look at the feature. Notice the differences in the stories, the number of websites you can host. For a single website, the basic Stellar plan is usually more than enough to get you started. For now, let's pick the Stellar plan and get started. Tap on Get Started. Now you will need to choose a domain name or connect the one you have already won. Do you have any domain in your mind? If not, you can search it over here. Let's explore this one. If you want a new domain name, you can connect it from here, and if you want to connect the existing domain name, you can use this option. And as I said earlier, you can search for the domains too. For example, let's search something from here. Let's see, it's sourcing. Fantastic. Let's choose one of this. You can choose your desired domain from here. Let's choose fun, something right fun. Now tap to connect to the hosting, and that opened you an option to add to a cart. Simply tap on it. Now review everything. Choose your billing cycle, monthly or yearly, which you can choose from here. If everything looks fine to you, simply tap on confirm order and proceed. Now follow the prompts to create an account and complete your payment. And that's it, you have just bought a NameCheap hosting. See, easy peasy, right? Now you are ready to start building your website. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.